In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to get Grammarly for Google Docs. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll have Grammarly checking your writing directly inside Google Docs, giving you real-time suggestions for grammar, clarity, and tone. All you need is a modern web browser, Chrome, Edge, or Firefox, and a Grammarly account, which can be free or premium depending on what features you want. Start by opening your web browser. Any recent version of Chrome, Microsoft Edge, or Firefox will work well. Keeping your browser up to date helps ensure the extension installs smoothly and runs reliably. Next, head to your browser's extension marketplace. On Chrome, that's the Chrome Web Store. On Edge, it's the Microsoft Edge add-ons site. On Firefox, it's the Firefox add-ons site. These are the official stores where you can safely install extensions. In the store's search bar, type Grammarly. You can also go directly to Grammarly.com in your browser if you prefer. In the results, look for the official Grammarly extension from Grammarly Inc. Checking the developer name and user reviews is a good way to confirm you're installing the legitimate tool. Click Add to Chrome or Add to Browser, depending on your browser. You'll see a prompt describing the permissions Grammarly needs, such as reading and suggesting text on the pages you visit, which is essential for it to provide writing feedback. Confirm to complete the installation. In a few moments, your browser will add Grammarly and show you that it's ready. After it's installed, sign into your Grammarly account through the extension. A small window or tab will open asking you to log in. If you already have an account, sign in. If not, you can create one quickly. The free plan covers core grammar and spelling, while premium adds deeper suggestions for clarity, tone, and style. Now open Google Docs at docs.google.com and load any document or create a new one. Grammarly should appear automatically in the sidebar, and you'll notice the Grammarly icon on the page. As you type, it will underline potential issues and offer suggestions. Click a suggestion to see a clear explanation and apply the fix with a single tap. You can also adjust settings within the sidebar to tailor the feedback to your goals, like setting formality or intent if those options are available on your plan. If Grammarly doesn't show up right away, try refreshing the Document tab, make sure the extension is enabled in your browser, and confirm you're signed in. Once it appears, you're all set. Grammarly will keep working in the background to help polish your writing in Google Docs.